In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Jira project, including issues using the Deep Clone for Jira tool. Whether you're a project manager eager to replicate a successful workflow or a developer looking to maintain consistency across multiple projects, this guide is designed to walk you through cloning your Jira projects step by step. First, let's start by navigating to the left panel on your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on this, which will open a drop-down menu. Once there, please select Explore More Apps. It's here in the Atlassian Marketplace that you'll find a wide array of tools and plugins to enhance your Jira experience. Once you're in the Marketplace, head over to the search bar and type in Deep Clone for Jira. This tool is tailored specifically to assist you in easily cloning projects, complete with all their issues and settings. It has quickly become the go-to solution for many Jira users seeking a comprehensive project duplication. When Deep Clone for Jira appears in the search results, just click on it. You'll spot an option that says, Try it for free. Go ahead and click this. It will start a trial period, allowing you to test the app's functionality without any cost. Once you've initiated the trial, the app will be installed and ready for your use. Now, let's head back to your Apps panel and open the Deep Clone tool. Inside, you'll find the Bulk Clone option. This feature is incredibly valuable because it enables you to clone all issues and configurations from a project simultaneously, saving you a lot of time compared to manually copying everything. You'll need to select the project you want to clone, commonly referred to as the source project. Take a moment to choose the project you wish to duplicate from the list. Next, you'll need to specify where you would like the cloned project to go. You can do this by selecting Clone Project. This action sets all clones up as a new project. Now it's time to give your new project a distinct identity. Enter a project key and name for this clone. This aspect is crucial as it sets your new project apart from others, ensuring there's no confusion in the future. After you've filled in these important details, simply click on Clone Project. This will kick off the cloning process, and the tool will begin duplicating your selected project along with its issues. It's important to remember that the cloning process may take some time, especially if your original project is large and complex. For projects with numerous issues, components, and configurations, a little patience might be required as the tool works its magic. And just like that, you've successfully cloned a Jira project using Deep Clone for Jira. This powerful tool makes sure that all your project data, from issues to settings, is accurately replicated, enabling you to manage similar projects effectively without having to start from scratch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide provided the clarity you were looking for.